Flight attendants, prepare doors for departure, cross-check and verify straps. Ladies and gentlemen, may we ask that you direct your attention to the forward part of the cabin for an important safety message about the safety features and procedures on this aircraft.
If you are in an exit seat and have not already done so, please review the exit seat responsibilities on the back of the safety information card in the seat pocket. If you are unable or prefer not to perform these functions, please let us know, and we will be happy to find you another seat. As we leave the gate, cellular phones and other electronic devices should be turned off. Once airborne, we will let you know when it is okay to use approved electronic devices. Some electronic devices, such as cell phones, may not be used in flight at any time. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap anytime the seatbelt sign has been turned on. When fastening, place the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the strap. Simply lift the top to release. Even if the seatbelt light is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. If there is a loss of electrical power, white emergency lights near the floor lead to red lights and show the way to the exit doors. Please take a moment to find the exit closest to you, and keep in mind that it could be behind you. In the case of an emergency, you may use the life vest found under or between your seats. Simply remove the vest from its pouch by pulling on the tab. Place the vest over your head and fasten the straps to the front of the vest. Adjust the straps loosely around your waist, and as you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tabs. You may also manually inflate by blowing into the tubes on either side. You can activate a light in the water by pulling down on the tab in front. Also, most of our seat cushions may be used as a flotation device.
Thank you for your attention.
Folks, looks like we're just a few planes back from getting off the ground, so at this time, flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has advised that we are now cleared for takeoff.
Attendants, please prepare for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we request that you turn off and stow all electronic devices and keep them turned off until we are safely parked at the gate. In final preparation for landing, please make sure your seat backs are straight up, your tray tables are stowed, and any carry-on luggage is tucked under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Flight attendants will be passing through the cabin one last time to do compliance checks and to collect all remaining service items.
Securely fastened until the aircraft has stopped and Captain King has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. Please do not open any of the overhead compartments, nor remove any of your hand luggage at this time. As this is the termination of our flight, when the aircraft has stopped and the seatbelt signs have been switched off, do ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you and your travel documents ready for inspection inside the terminal building. Please exercise caution, however, when opening the overhead compartments, as items may have shifted during flight. For all passengers who require the special assistance of wheelchairs and all children traveling alone, please remain seated until a flight attendant comes to assist you off the aircraft.